Hi, my name is Brianna Stenko and I'm making edits to this year's version of Your Guide to Amazon Suspensions. And today I'd like to talk about one of the edits I've made to the book. In particular, this is for sellers who are maintaining multiple accounts on Amazon without Amazon's approval. If you're doing such, you should pay special attention to your seller performance notifications because one mistake can lead Amazon's team to flag your account and then look deeper into it, and in this way they might be able to find your other account. So some of the things in particular to keep an eye out on are your customer service dissatisfaction rate, which is an overall metric of account health, and this is based on your other customer facing metrics. So you should aim for less than 25%. Your late shipment rate is also really important. You should this is easier to also control if you do use FBA, and you should aim for less than 4%. Contact response time is also another important aspect, and you should, if you're a third-party seller with thousands or even hundreds of ASINs, a dedicated customer support staff is essential, and you should aim to respond to all messages within 24 hours. Lastly, the order defect rate is really important, and private labels and brands have the advantage here. You should ensure that you have good quality control measures in place, and you should aim for less than 1%. Thank you, guys.